As part of the Sinas Dramis Know Your Law campaign, Lansing attorney Stephen Sinas is here to talk about the ongoing efforts to reform Michigan's no-fault auto insurance system. Good to see you again.
Thanks for having me.
It's been a pretty hot topic lately, talking about the reforming the no-fault system. But before we get into all of that, can you tell us what no-fault law provides us?
Yes, no problem. And as a personal injury law firm, we like to try to educate people about their rights. And with the Michigan no-fault law, there's a lot of confusion about what it provides people and the kind of coverage it gives us. So here's a real quick summary. What it provides people in Michigan is that if they're hurt in an accident, they're going to get whatever is reasonably necessary for their care, recovery, or rehabilitation of their injuries. There's no time limit on that. There's no monetary limit. So they can claim whatever is reasonable for their care and their recovery of their injuries. And that's a really unmatched benefit when you compare other auto insurance systems in America. So It's a really great form of coverage we have here in Michigan.
So I know that one proposal, House Bill 5013, was recently voted down in the Michigan House of Representatives. So why was this proposal not passed?
It was not passed because it sought to bring down insurance rates, which can be high for certain people in Michigan, by simply cutting benefits and cutting legal rights. And that was really the main approach to the bill. And the Michigan legislature decided that that's not the right approach, that there are other ways to bring down rates and keep people's benefits intact.
Okay. Can you point out a few of the problems with the failed House bill?
Yeah, well, I mean, it brought down the form of coverage to such a small amount that if you're ever seriously injured, it was not going to provide the kind of coverage you need for your injuries, and also slashed legal rights so that people really didn't have good ways to pursue their benefits if they needed to ever file a lawsuit against an insurance company, things of that nature.
Right.
So another measure called the Fair and Affordable No-Fault Reform Package is currently being considered by the Michigan legislature. And I'm wondering, can you tell us about that proposal?
Yeah, it's kind of the alternative approach where you try to preserve the benefits, but preserve the form of coverage that we have under the no-fault insurance system, but bring down rates by making it more efficient, and also by looking at the rating factors insurance companies are allowed to use in determining our premiums. So it's kind of the alternative way to hopefully make no-fault insurance more affordable, but also keep the form of coverage that makes it such a unique system.
Right. Now, some people say that Michigan should just do away with the no-fault system completely, but do you believe we should keep it, and why?
I can honestly say that if I didn't practice law, I still would say it's a great system and that we should keep it. It's a great way of making sure people have the coverage they need if they're in an auto accident, and also it's great for the future when we have driverless cars and we don't want to litigate fault to get our medical expenses paid.
Good point.
All right, Stephen, thanks for joining us, and we've put your information on the screen. Give them a call at 394-7500 or sinasdramis.com.
That's all our time for now in the Morning Blend. Thanks so much for joining us, and make it a great day.